Hey Amy, do you want to check out this market with me in Barcelona?
Absolutely.
All right, this is pretty fun. So we are kind of at the beginning of Las Ramblas, kind of by the port. And there's a really neat market that we're going to show you all the wares and goods here in a moment, so you're going to want to stick around for this. All right, these are cool toys, Amy.
That's crazy. These are nice.
And then, oh man, I might need some of these. Le Petit Julien? I lost mine, I might need one. From Brussels? Are these like chess figures? I like that it's got Grandpa Simpson mixed in. And serio, I might need something here. Some nice grapes. I like this market. This is almost like a yard sale, flea market. Ooh, handcuffs for 30 euro?
That's cool.
I have a lot of ideas. Old cameras. Is that Stalin back there? I like these. I could tell people I won a basketball award.
Oh, there's a little French bulldog. Like him.
Very cool. I wonder how much these shopping knickknacks are. I'm going to keep an eye out. What about, we need a Chihuahua dog for Biscuit. I like these little army men chess piece looking guys.
That's pretty cool.
I gotta find something that like says Barcelona for my trip. Jesus. These are cool. Something that is small enough to put in my luggage. I can't get like a gargoyle from the church.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Folks, what would you pick up here? Those old cameras are very collectible now.
That's awesome.
Amy, do you think this will fit in my carry-on?
Yes.
We need a smaller version of her.
Bigger carry-on.
She's the right size, but also too big at the same time. What's that?
I see the best video that you have in the floor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
¿Qué para el pequeño?
I don't know what he said, Amy. What did he say?
He just said that you're making the best video in Barcelona. That's his shop.
Oh, yeah. Good call. Lots of jewelry and things. My uncle's a Charlie Chaplin impersonator. He'd like that. Fun stuff. I like that first one. They had a lot of mantiques. Amy, you finding... What's her name?
Ah, Frida Kahlo.
Frida Kahlo. Got stuck. My brain is like Somhark. I'm like, I know that's not it.
John Cash.
John Cash. Famous Spaniard Marilyn Monroe.
No sueños tu vida, vive tu sueño.
Those cool magnets. Or are they magnets?
Yeah, I think so.
So what is Viva la Republic? What republic is the flag of?
Colombia.
Is that Colombia? No, so it's the Spanish-Colombian War or whatever? Good. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Very cool. You think I'm allowed to tow car these?
No, specifically not.
No tow car. I wanted a tow car.
I really wish.
Lots of cool mantiques at this one. My brother and sister-in-law, Jerry, I think she would like some of the antique vendors and things. All the coins and whatnot. It looks like ivory there. I wonder if that's ivory. All right, folks, and right across from the market, I got to show you Mirador de Colom. Amy, is that Christopher Columbus up there, or what's the story with this? We might have to
I don't
Google
know.
this.
We're gonna have to look this up, but I would assume yes. I believe Christopher Colon is his Spanish name. I think.
A lot of the figures and stuff are all in nets right now. Like we saw that with the gargoyles on churches.
Yeah.
Are they escaping?
I don't know. What's going on in Barcelona?
You like the
We should
lions.
investigate. Yeah, the lions are really cool. They're fun.
There's, is that a naval museum too? There's a lot of very official looking buildings around here. That's really cool that this little cruise port and market are in some very cool looking districts, and the well-known tourist street kind of right ahead. So Amy, I think it's time to head to the cruise ship.
Finally time. We are ready to go. It is our boarding time. Our luggage is already there. Should be all ready for us. I'm ready to get on the ship, check out our room, and maybe hit some food.
Oh yeah, are you getting hungry?
Maybe.
Maybe. I mean, cruise ships have good food sometimes.
I could be tempted.
But yeah, look at that background behind us. That's cool to be
It's really
in
fun.
Spain, right?
Yeah, it's incredible. Spain has been beautiful so far. The food, absolutely incredible. The people, beautiful, nice.
Yeah, there are beautiful people here, right?
Yeah.
I
The
like it.
weather is, oh my goodness, it's so nice. So nice.
Absolutely. So folks, we will be giving a lot of videos about our cruise. So make sure to subscribe for those. Amy, you want to ask them to like?
Yeah, please like and subscribe, and yeah, we will see you guys soon.
All right, so Amy ended that quickly because she felt like we were going to get pickpocketed,
Yeah.
which is certainly a possibility here in Barcelona. We've seen that on a couple of occasions. But yeah, we're headed to the ship, and I'm going to show you that real quick. Whoop, where is it? We have a ship behind us. It's hard to miss.
there it is.
Oh, that way? Where is the ship? Oh, it's back there. It's just hard to see on camera. But it's back there, and we're going to get on the ship, give you a bunch more videos, and have a good time.
Woo!
Thanks for watching, and
Adios, amigos.
adios, amigos.